Have you ever felt completely drained, even when life looks good on the outside, like you've got it all together, but deep down, something feels off? If you've ever thought, I'm doing everything right, so why am I so tired? You're not alone. Today, I'm going to share the truth about spiritual exhaustion, the kind of burnout that goes way beyond physical tiredness. If you're feeling emotionally depleted, struggling to stay inspired, or just off, stick with me. I'll help you understand why this happens, how to recognize it, and most importantly, how to reignite your inner light. Welcome back to the Awaken with Love and Rise with Pure Joy podcast. I'm Katie Joy, founder of theglobalbutterfly.com, and I support those who are ready to live in alignment with their truth, to activate their intuition, clarify their purpose, and rise into soul-aligned success. Today, I want to talk about something that doesn't get enough attention, especially among high-functioning, heart-led women. Spiritual burnout. What is spiritual burnout? We've all heard about burnout from working too hard or pushing ourselves physically. But what about when the exhaustion is soul deep? Spiritual burnout is that feeling when your inner light grows dim. It's not just being physically tired or mentally drained. It's feeling like your soul is running on empty. And what makes it so challenging is that it doesn't always look like burnout from the outside. You're still showing up. You're still holding it together. People still see you as strong and resilient. But inside, you feel flat and disconnected from the joy you used to feel. It's like you're pouring from an empty cup. And it's not just about needing more sleep or time off. Why does this happen? If you're a heart-led achiever, you're naturally inclined to give endlessly to others, prioritize productivity over self-nurturing, and keep pushing through, even when you're running on fumes. But here's the truth. When your inner light is constantly being taxed by output, without enough intentional input, it starts to flicker. You're doing the mindset work, you're setting the goals, but the energy behind it feels forced, like you're moving through molasses. And that's a sign that your soul is craving something deeper. So how do you reignite your inner light? One of the most powerful ways I guide my clients through this is by helping them to reconnect with their soul through the GGA practice. GGA stands for gratitude, gains, and appreciation. And it's not just a journaling exercise. It's a practice of gently recalibrating your energy, focusing on what you're grateful for, what progress you've made, big or small, what you genuinely appreciate about yourself, others, and life. This 5-minute practice isn't about forcing positivity. It's about softly realigning your energy back to what's real and nourishing. It's like lighting a small flame within you that gradually grows stronger until you feel that spark reignite. So here's a simple practice for today. Let's do this together right now. Take a deep breath, place your hands on your heart, and ask yourself, what's one thing I'm grateful for right now? What's one gain I can celebrate, big or small? What's one thing I appreciate about myself or my journey today? Notice how your energy subtly shifts. It's not about a big breakthrough. It's about a gentle realignment. If you're feeling this message resonate, if you're tired of feeling spiritually exhausted, but don't know how to reignite that inner fire, discover how a 5-minute daily GGA practice can reignite your inner light. Join my free GGA workshop, where I'll guide you through the process step by step. The link will be in the show notes down below. You don't need fixing, you need realignment. And your light, it's still there, just waiting for you to turn inward and listen. Thank you for spending this time with me today. If this resonated, make sure that you hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Please also share this with a friend. And remember, your light is powerful and your soul knows the way. Take a breath, realign, and give yourself the gift of coming back to you. From my heart to yours, lots of love, light, and manifesting miracles, magic, and more. Bye for now.